Hey everybody, I'm Randy Tate. I'm the CEO of iFlip Invest. iFlip stands for the Financial Learning Information Platform, and we're the only pure AI-driven investment engine out there. We're not a bot, we're not an algorithm, we are in fact pure AI. Over the past 5 years, we have actually monetized all three of the major corrections, including the one that's going on right now. In a time of extreme volatility, we, along with a few others, recognizes that the game of creating financial freedom through the markets has changed. Some of us are ahead of that curve. We want to share our knowledge and empower you to master the markets.
Hey, Jeffrey Hayzlett here, chairman and founder of the C-Suite Network, and I'm taking a break right here on my TV show, All Business with Jeffrey Hayzlett, right here on C-Suite TV and C-Suite Radio for podcasts. I want to talk about iFlip Invest and my friend Randy Tate, the CEO and one of our Hero Club leaders in the Hero Club. Now, iFlip is the next generation of investing. They leverage their smart AI, smartfolio technology to automate investing, decreasing our risk and maximizing our profit. Now, their goal is to empower everyone to preserve, protect, and grow your wealth. And I love that. Randy will be hosting an event in Dallas, Texas called Mastering the Markets. They'll address futures, Forex, options, AI trading, and so much more. I'll be speaking, so I'm looking forward to seeing you there and encouraging you to attend this event.
How many of you guys love Daryl Martin? How many of you guys love when Daryl Martin posts those screenshots of his trades for the day where he's made all this money and all these different accounts? How many of you kind of sort of hate Daryl Martin when he posts all of those trades and all those accounts? It's like exciting and motivating, gives you something to look forward to, but it also kind of pisses you off, doesn't it?
Hello, this is Daryl Martin from Apex Trader Funding, the ultimate choice for trader funding. And we provide a funding solution for traders who pass a simple profit loss test, and then they get funded and get to keep the first $10,000 and then 90% of their profits after that without ever having to invest or risk their own capital. And we're going to tell you more about that at this event. So what about iFlip? Who is iFlip? Well, iFlip is a state-of-the-art company offering a simple way to manage assets via their AI automation for your portfolio. It's amazing. It manages risk really well. I invest in my own capital in iFlip, including owning stock. So why should you attend this event? Well, you should learn from experts in futures, forex, and options, and AI automation experts. They're going to be sharing the secrets to successfully manage the markets in this volatile time, and this is a must-attend event for any serious futures, forex, options, or stock trader. So this is the event you have been looking for. Register now. Don't wait. Register right now.
So come join us October 2021 in Dallas, Texas. Take your mastery of the markets to the next level, and let's get you on the path to financial freedom. See you there.
I have one big challenge for you. Don't be right. Don't be right. The challenge becomes for you to consciously meaning you say it over and over in your mind, I am going to listen like it is a sport. Because what happens is we get into a conversation, we start talking, and somebody starts talking to us, and some of you are doing it right now. And all you're thinking of is what you would say, what you need to say, what is your occurring for you, what needs to happen, and you can't even get out of your own way because that little voice, the one that's, you're saying what voice, that one, is, that's what I'm talking about, it's talking to you.